so beautiful about it. Excuse me, I have to go back in. To get back to work. You stepped on my toes, as they say. And I'm beginning to get a little excited and angry. So, no. Let's talk. Let's talk about my bright and beautiful life. Where shall we begin? You know how sometimes violent obsessions take hold of a person. The moon, for example. Day and night, they think of nothing but the moon. I have a moon. Every day and every night I'm obsessed by one thought. I must write. I must write. I must write. I must write. I've hardly finished one novel somehow. I must write another, and then a third, and after that a fourth. I write without stopping, always at lightning speed. It's the only way I can write. What's so beautiful and bright about that? Life is really crazy. And I'm talking to you, and excited. And at the same time, I can't forget, for a single instant, that there's an unfinished story waiting for me in my room. You see that cloud up there? It's shaped like a grand piano. Instantly, I make a mental note to put it in my story. A cloud sailed by like a grand piano. The smell of heliotrope. A sickly smell of widow's color. I'll use that when I describe a summer's evening. I capture every sentence you or I say to lock away in my literary story. And those will come in handy. As soon as I finish working, I race off to the theater or go fishing, hoping to find a little rest. A new idea comes into my head like a cannonball, and I'm back at my desk, writing and writing. It's always that way. Give myself no rest. I feel I'm consuming my own life. For the honey I'm giving someone I don't know. I'm robbing my best flowers of their pollen, and I'm tearing up those flowers, trampling on them. You think I'm crazy? Do my friends talk to me as they would a sane man? What are you writing now? What masterpiece are you going to give us next? So, until I think that all this attention and praise is said, as you might say, something kind to a sick man. Deceive him, soothe him, and steal up behind him and carry him off to the madhouse like Perpishkin. As for my young years, it's used. How'd you begin? Beginning writer, especially when his unlucky feels awkward. Nobody needs him. His nerves are worn thin. He's always at the breaking point. Still, he can't resist hanging around anyone with any connection with art and literature. When nobody recognizes him, everybody ignores him. And he's too shy to even look people straight in the face. He's was like an incurable gambler without any money. I had never seen my readers, but I pictured them as hostile and suspicious. I had a deathly fear of the theater audience. It terrified me. Whenever a new play of mine was produced, I pictured the dark-haired people in the audience as hostile and suspicious, and the blonde ones cold and indifferent.
Wow. Wow. That was wonderful. Really wonderful. I mean, I just, it really doesn't need a lot.
Right, yeah.
It does not need a lot. I would, the only thing I would do is, only because it's just me, I just love the intensity that you gave it, just from sitting there. And just maybe a little walking. You know, I'm the kind of person that really just loves to be right into the actor, and sometimes I get distracted with that. Like the beginning, I know that you walked away and whatever, but for some odd reason, I mean, once you settled in and sat, your emotional level was unbelievable. You really did justice to that piece.
Thank you.
And I am a tough you-know-what, but that was wonderful.
Thank you very much.
Lovely, lovely work. Lovely work. Thank you.